While these Dollar Tree hats are super cute to wear, pick one up along with some pretty faux florals and gardening supplies to make a whimsical wreath for your spring decorating. Hi there, I'm Jane from Sustain My Craft Habit and welcome back to our channel. When I spotted this straw hat at Dollar Tree, I just thought it'd be so fun to turn it into some decor for my front door. So I picked one up and then I started by cutting out a piece of cardboard to stabilize the back side. Now you could also use a matching sized wire frame, especially if you want to put this in an outdoor area because the cardboard isn't ideal to get wet. But I'm planning on putting this in my front hallway indoors. So I cut a circle just roughly out of cardboard and then glued my hat to that. It just, without this backing, it's a little bit too floppy and unstable. It's also really helpful for securing the heavier pieces to the wreath, such as the trowel, and also putting a hanger on the back. I'd picked up some of these pretty pink faux florals, also from Dollar Tree, and I went with some lighter pinks and darker pinks. This type of hat craft is also really cute for autumn, so if you select more orange and yellow flowers like sunflowers, you could also make a really cute wreath for that. But once I cut the little florals apart from the stem, I just took clusters of them. So I started with a set of 3 darker ones and put them on either side of the bow. I just used my hot glue gun to glue them in place and then sort of tucked in some of the other flowers. I positioned the biggest ones towards the center where the bow is, and you can also tuck it into the straw hat to just make it more stable. As I was making this craft on a live, somebody commented that you could use this kind of method to dress up a hat for the Derby. I'm not sure what that is. We don't have that in our area of Ontario, Canada, but I guess you could do that, or even to make a pretty Sunday church hat. My mom was joking. She says, I need a straw hat like that for when I mow the lawn on her riding tractor. So yeah, I think this is a little bit too much for that, but it might make her happy. Now you could leave the hat wreath as it is with the flowers, but I wanted to add a bit of a fun touch. And I had picked up a pair of gardening gloves and this, it's not a trowel, but I can't remember the name of this garden implement, but the orange was a little too stark against the other colors. So I just painted the orange handle with some of this soft blue chalky paint and made sure to get the inside so that it would fit together nicely. I love the combination of this blue and teal with a little bit of pink. And to secure that trowel and the gloves to the hat, I just poked a couple holes all the way through the cardboard and then used some wire. I used that same method to create a little hanger so that I can hang up my piece on the wall. So what do we think? Do we like the hat better on the head or on the wall? I think the straw hat wreath makes the perfect spring decor or gift for Mother's Day. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and we'll see you again next week with another cute craft idea. Happy crafting!